Hi, Professor. This is Dan Riseman with a journal entry, Creating a Good Problem. My question is, a cube with a side of 6 centimeters is inscribed in a sphere. Points A and B are tangent to the sphere. What is the volume of the sphere with center O? And here's the diagram I made. And as you can see, the Pythagorean theorem used twice will help us calculate the diameter of the sphere. And then half of that would be the radius, and then we can use the volume of a sphere, 4/3 pi r cubed, to solve this. So I'm going to go through each step with you right now. So the first thing I want students to recognize is that if every side is a value of 6 centimeters, the first thing we have here is we have the hypotenuse of a right triangle, and I'll draw that in right now. This would be a 45, 45, 90 triangle. The right angle would be right here, making this 6 rad 2, and that's our first step in solving this. Our next step is this. We know that we're going through center O, and from A to B going through center O, that would in fact be the diameter. So here we go. But to calculate it, what are we going to do? Well, we know that this is 6 because every side is 6. We know that's a right angle, which is interesting. That would be a right angle. It's hard for students to see that, but that is a right angle. And then we're going to do the Pythagorean theorem calling the diameter x. We now state that x squared is equal to 6 squared plus 6 rad 2 squared. That would be x squared is equal to 36 plus a value of 72. And that would be x squared is equal to 108. Square root, we get x is equal to a value of 6 radical 3 centimeters. Well, that is the diameter of the sphere. Half of that, divide that by 2, 3 rad 3 centimeters would be the radius of the sphere. At this point, we can use the formula. Volume is equal to 4/3 pi r cubed, and put the value in, 4/3 pi 3 rad 3 cubed, and that would give you 4/3 pi, and that would be a value of 108 radical 3. Now, if we simplify and approximate, pi is 3.14 and rad 3 is about 1.73, we get a value of the volume of the sphere would be a value of approximately, put approximately squiggly lines there, make sure it's clean and clear for the kids. It'd be a value of 587.37 centimeters cubed. Or if we want to be exact, it would be 108 radical 3 pi centimeters cubed. And I'll say that would be equal in that case, that would be approximate. So again, this problem highlights the importance of the Pythagorean theorem, in this case, using it twice. Thank you.